This is my gift to you this Easter. So I'm just going to show you how one can hack into this D-Link router IP address, and then that is going to be followed by the ports that I want to scan, that is 21 and 23. So as you can see that we have port FTP and telnet opened. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to use a tool called Medusa to specify the host, brute force the passwords, specify the host, and then the user list that I have. I don't have a lot of user list. My user list is not that big. And then password. So my password is going to be share followed by wait list, and then which wait list must I use? I'm going to choose fast track. So yes, and then I need the module that I'm going to specify. So in this regard, I need telnet, 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 and FTP. I want to see if this is possible. And I'm going to specify F. So this is not possible. Okay, it's fine. So I'm just going to remove only one module protocol. So as you can see, I was able to crack the password. The password is admin. So that is with FTP. So let us change this to telnet. Telnet, press enter. Okay, still. So now we can conclude that telnet and the FTP services, they are both using the same password, that is admin. So the next thing that I can do is to try to connect to both of them. But to make this video shorter, I'm going to connect to the telnet one. So I'm going to use my NC, my netcat, then port 23. So as you can see, it says blah 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 about the router. So to connect now, I'm going to say admin, and then password is admin. So I'm inside the router. So let me see pwd. So now I'm inside the router in the main directory. I can not in the main, okay, in the main directory I can see. So the next thing that I can do to see the commands that is executable in this router is to type help. So you can see I have all of these commands. Okay, so personally I would like to see other built-in users that are in the router that so let me just say cat, and I'll go to my etc file password. So as you can see, this router comes with built-in usernames that we have admin, which is the one that we cracked, and we have a user, and then we have nobody. So I'm going to attempt to connect to with one of the credentials. So let me just so I'm using Tmax here. So I'm going to say NC again, and then specify the IP address of my router, 23. So instead of using the username, this one admin, I'm going to use the username user, and then I'll assume that the password for username user is user. So user, so I'm in again. So let me just actually, without even going any further, you can tell that you are able to access the main system of the router and find all of the usernames. And then what you see here, these are hashes, crackable hashes. So just to make this video shorter, I'm not going to attempt to crack all of these hashes here, etc. So this is just a demonstration, like how easy it is for an attacker to hack into your router and then gain administrative access without your permission. So you need to be careful who do you connect to your Wi-Fi. So in this regard, also have multiple options such as like changing passwords. Actually, let me just try this. I want to check like who I am. who am I? Let me see. Okay, so the who am I command is not recognized, but I just wanted to know like who I am. So now what you can do here is to change the password of the router, and then you can also do what is known as a DNS spoofing attack, etc. So guys, stay safe this Easter.